And now let's all welcome the graduates. If I may ask po yung mga nakaupo po sa mga upuan, maaari po sanang bigyan po natin ng espasyo yung mga graduates po natin para makapwesto po sila dyan sa pwesto po nila. Maraming salamat po. There are some vacant seats on the side for the other guests to occupy. But for now, let's prioritize po ang ating graduates and parents na kasama po nila sa processional. And now, the completers. Let's also welcome the recognition awardees of different lower grade levels of grade school and junior high school. Again po, let's give way po sa mga upcoming parents and awardees na students to have their seats and kindly occupy the seats on the sides po para sa ating mga guests and other visitors. And I would like to request to please settle down quickly before I introduce the next people who are part of the processional. Once again, let's all welcome the El Tres Section Escuela Incorporated faculty and staff, followed by our guest of honor and speaker. As well as our parents, visitors, and other guests.